Hello everybody! My name is Maria. Today we are going to begin with a new series of videos in which we are going to talk about topics related to gender, gender equality, and gender identity. These topics are important to our students and to our university because we are in search of a fair and equitable society. To begin with, in this video we are going to define some important terms. For a very long time, the term gender has been used interchangeably with the term sex. But sex and gender refer to two distinct concepts. Sex is a biological classification that divides a species into two categories based on physiological, genetic, and hormonal characteristics, male and female. In mammals, including humans, during sexual reproduction, usually a sperm cell carrying either an X or Y chromosome fuses with an egg carrying an X chromosome, resulting in a combination of either XX for females or XY for males. Of course, there is also a difference in the reproductive organs or genitalia, and the assigned sex is called a person's natal sex. At birth, female assigned people have higher levels of estrogen and progesterone, and while assigned males have higher levels of testosterone. Gender exists as social constructs, as gender roles or norms. These are defined as the socially constructed roles, behaviors, and attributes that a society considers appropriate for men or women. Gender involves how a person identifies. Unlike natal sex, gender is not made up of binary forms. Instead, gender is a broad spectrum. A person may identify at any point within this spectrum or outside of it entirely. People may identify with genders that are different from their natal sex or with none at all. These identities may include transgender, non-binary, or gender neutral. There are many other ways in which a person may define their own gender. As we can understand, sex is a multidimensional biological construct based on anatomy, physiology, genetics, and hormones. These components are sometimes referred to as sex traits. On the other hand, gender can be broadly defined as a multidimensional construct that encompasses gender identity and expression, as well as social and cultural expectations about status, characteristics, and behavior, as they are associated with certain sex traits. Understandings of gender vary throughout historical and cultural contexts. This was a brief explanation of the difference between sex and gender. We hope it is clear and easy to understand. See you in the next video. Bye!